Came out here for a little Ben Gravy and Ben Gravy action. Got a soft board, got a little short board. Try to get some wave. There are plenty of people here. You can see like 30 of them already. This is gonna be a session. 20 Gulf Coast surfers out there. Yee! Day 2 of the Ben Gravy experiment. Was not able to get tons of wave yesterday. Lost count, but that was probably a good thing. So we'll just put it down as 0. But got back out there today. Switched up the quiver a little bit. Got this custom made. Ooh. And this baby, I caught some waves. Back in the car rolling breakfast, but yeah, overall got some good waves in Pensacola. Got to make use of it, and dude, Ben Gravy, good YouTuber, got me out, got me trying stuff I probably wouldn't have taken the effort to get into, but board choice, that's big boys, board choice. Gonna have to look into what I got and what I need, but much better day, day 2. Super good. Stoked. Total on the weekend. Again, gray board, big difference maker. This little guy couldn't do much. And then this little guy is not, foam board, not what I thought it would be. I mean, it'd be good for boogie board, but it wasn't the surf catch that it needed to be. So anyway, good session, packing up the gear. Once I get better at surfing consistently, I think I'll be able to film out on the water, but for now, a little short on the wave catching footage. But nonetheless, super glad I went out. You!